Enti lawyer po Adom Otchere, any TikTokers abe clash with John Mahama, any ato Forson. Efa sports levy omodiaba. It is a sports levy. I Otchere said this is a replica of betting tax. Oh, abe clash with Mahama. Mama Otchere mu no Otchere wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Aha yi Penyah block media. Mesra say need mu. Obe like video no that about subscribe button so na back the verification latest update na be chere wadwe de mama e wo comment section meso aso baso no a share video for so enya bi ahye empani for si nipa enim na wia no ade say yen so kene enya hwan anyway because unim na dada ana sa kwatere kwaso be mount ma no watie ne din me his excellency the president John Mahama the first time na minim no enti akoto 24 na shimuna na omu and this for the year they say I na betting tax ana Levy na Mahama ankasa ni abere ho e de kwan betting tax na eye besele e be say minim na dada na memu 2013 or taxi ya to the point they say kaya yefuo obomu so adema kaya yefuo kwa na Mahama di omu tax kaya yedi ni ti na ho de so adema no na Mahama eje tax or supply omo head pan omo pan so bonyi no nsuwa no mu tia tax omo pan so omo nsuwa niama no omo nyiro omo nsuwa no matua tax yes e no dey carry for tax enti e ko 24 election mu na say NDC ye dede ana betting tax ana Levy ana covenanting aye mesede covenant say ngofu omba omo fa de fufuru bia ma but omo ye dede e magana fonti aye say betting tax na Levy no say binyanse bia nim enti entwam e ma omo kura target those three taxes as nuisance tax. Enti e ko 24 election nyina play role ma MPP elusia na NDC eba akonya so. NDC ba ye February mu ye ministerial vetting auto force as finance minister designated by then. O can see when na ensem no ewo wo mu emohwam. O can say one, oh, he knows how to generate revenue in the system without introducing any new tax. On for tax bia ma. Now face no the already existing taxes no some of them will be scrapped. Levy obeye free ho, betting tax obeye free ho no, covenant levy obeyi. No kre betting tax omu yi free ho no mo. Levy omu yi free ho no mo. But COVID-19 omu ntime omu chese COVID-19 de ene IMF e wo deal bi ene ade nsem ngongo na prekesi enti omu ntime na normal. But yanka bi shemu emu ana tie so omu de bibi ba e friend Dumso levy. Energy sector levy, that is the same Levy na Ghana for Yahuda da but still abosin omo de omo dum so levy abana say no aba place Levy no yes Levy no mu yiye no dum so levy abeshanan babu say ka bi shemu enu achi ye ene ba ni media no say his excellency the president John Dramani Mahama any NDC government IDB ba your friend no sports levy.
Government is introducing a sports fund that will be able to take care of, or we will have a well-structured funding for sports. We do not have that, and because we do not have a fund, just like the way we have for education, for health, and the rest, it's actually challenged our supports for what? Sports and sporting activities. Young people qualify, they struggle, they go through all the processes, and you are unable to push them to participate in the competition. So the government have decided to establish a sports fund, a fund into which all manner of contributions will go into the private corporates, the public corporates, individuals, government itself, and through many other sources we'll be able to put money in there to use in the development of sports.
What is before Parliament now, and does it come with a levy? Because that's a media discussion that the government is
let's work with what is with before Parliament. You see it. Every document that goes to Parliament, you would find it. You can't establish a fund without a levy. Surely every fund must have a form of a levy that contributes into the fund. I can't specifically here say what levy will be approved by Parliament or not. The bill will be laid in Parliament when Parliament resumes, and Parliament will go through the processes to get the act passed, and once it is passed, a legislation will be developed.
The Black Stars, what are your expectations?
Well, I expect the Black Stars to do nothing but win, and win convincingly, because we need that win to safeguard our presence in the US, Canada, and Mexico for the World Cup. So they must win. Nothing less from a win. That's what we expect. We praying with them. We praying for them. We've invested heavily in everything that they need to make sure that they are comfortable to be able to do what it is that they are doing. Luckily for us, we have no injury. As of Saturday, when the league went on break, we have recorded no injury. What we have recorded have been very great performances from our players, and so we think that coming together, they play as a team and understand each other.
What I say? The sports levy. And you know what I say? Now sports levy, you know, any betting time. That's it. In other sense, no. Yi levy every one mono. The doom so levy abeshana. And yi betting tax every one. Betting tax for so almost had sports levy. Na say a rebranded, refurbished levy. Levy na wo na no. And yi dey akofa jemu adane na sane. Ego we ye smart tricksters. But we train tricky obi a. What I say? We train tricky Ghana phone na. Na eno sports levy we no. Ena comedians abusia. Lawyer for Adom Otchere. Any TikTokers abe clash with Mahama James David. Mahama do ye kromfu. This is a total thievery. Robbing Peter to pay Paul.
Ghana for Asamaba. Oshe post here that Mr. Joy FM. And I yes I post we. Almost say I buy ever be introduce new sports levy, new levy BFN sports levy. A car sports levy I just say I buy the taxa or the Beboa Ghana sports. Black Stars and you can say in general Ghana sports. Into more mucha betting tax if you want. I buy media no buy one get one no you back one. Now or they will introduce you we levy if you know you betting tax flow. We introduce you D levy at the sports levy account at the uncountable levy account baby levies baby and I say aba uncountable one. And getting it or a crab and my war 110 year and my Basisi the air by sports levy, Timon Prope and check Babutia sports levy. Eddie back blasters now. You whom the airport. Blasters now, you winning crack a cake. I'm going to introduce your mobile. I was scared. Come on. It sounds like this is a cardiac more. So, could be I play you blur. You almost to me, Shecomoros. Say, I can't take the phone put the air, money, a Mudia, or can we engage Japan? Now, we have Comoros can come to me show. Sports league, the apart more.
Another World Cup back to back. But whilst we're looking at the Black Stars, we have been told that government will be introducing a sports levy as primary revenue source for sports funds. I like what the way Samson Kujo wrote about. Can you give me something? Franklin Kujo. Can you give me Franklin Kujo? I like the way Franklin Kujo put it. So this is what Franklin Kujo said. He said, there are many taxes we already pay that do not make sense. That's Franklin Kujo's assertion. He is a policy think tank person, quite experienced at Imani. There are many taxes we already pay that do not make sense. Please look for one of them and replace this sports levy. Otherwise, as he put it, ebeye butu 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 butu. Franklin Kujo doesn't want to pay any sports levy. He doesn't want to pay. He won't pay. He says ebeye butu 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 butu. Then Kofi Bentel comes up also from Imani. Hail the next nuisance tax which will be withdrawn by the next government. Politicians never learn. Oh, that's interesting. Kofi Tonto says, if we pay a particular tax that does not make sense, you repeal it. You don't replace it with another nonsensical tax. It will be butu 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 in this country. Kofi Adams and President John Dramani Mahama have dreamed up an agenda to raise revenue to support sports. Ordinarily, that should be a noble idea. Why is it receiving bashing from even the civil society that are quite friendly to President Mahama? It's because they identify it as a nuisance tax. They think that it's a nuisance tax. And, Adu Anaba, Kwaku and Ponsan says, betting tax out, sports levy in. resetting agenda is on course. He's being sarcastic. Jasper Delali says, take it from the millions we spend on Black Stars. Let GFA make our domestic league more attractive to generate more revenue. Nobody, no civil society person wants to pay any sports levy. But we are tired in Ghana, aren't we? What is you come? Betting tax. MDC won elections on betting tax. They say they don't want to, nobody wants to pay betting tax. Betting tax is not tax from everyone. It's taxed by those who win the bets. So you go and bet Manchester United to beat Liverpool next weekend, which is my hope. I don't know whether it will happen. I sincerely hope it does. But they are playing at Anfield, so that's a big ask. We don't know how it's going to be. We are hoping that Ruben Amorim and who's the latest player in United who is good? Amad Diallo is a Senegalese or Ivorian boy. Very, very good player. He plays on the right. Mbeumo plays for Cameroon. And he's also doing very well for Manchester United these days. But it's going to be a big ask because Liverpool are coming from 3 games defeated. They are playing at Anfield. Anfield atmosphere is going to be charged. I've been at Anfield before. There's no atmosphere like Anfield. So I don't know. But if you bet on that game and you win, the Honorable Ken Oforiatta was collecting taxes. The NDC rode on the back of this new sans tax that they don't want it, that they're going to replace it. And some Ghanaians voted for them, especially the taxing people. I remember Shatawale was angry with this betting tax because most of the SM fans, they are betting and they are using it to do this and that. Then no, you say you want tax out of it. So NDC said no. E-levy, NDC said no. NDC takes out e-levy, which is an optional tax, technically optional. And then they bring in D-levy, whose options are limited because it has to do with petroleum, which connects to almost everyone. Now they take out betting tax. And the Honorable Kofi Adams here says that he wants to introduce sports levy so that we use it to take some money and give it to Accra House of Folk and Asante Kotoko and Football Association. The part of the reason why Ghanaians are usually unhappy with taxes is that they do not trust the management of the resources that come out of the taxes. That's really the problem. Many Ghanaians don't trust how this tax money will be managed. They are afraid that the tax money will be used to buy Range Rover, Land Cruiser, house, this is there for politicians. That's why Ghanaians don't like taxes. Because when they tax them, their road doesn't change. When they tax them, the street lights are still off. Greater Accra Regional Minister came into office and said that 2 weeks, I'll put all the street lights on. After 3 months, she said, if your child didn't get a placement, go and hire a private teacher. What is wrong with that? Just hire a private teacher for your child. These are the things she was saying. She had forgotten where she's coming from. These are the things she said. She told us that if after vetting, 3 weeks, all the street lights will be on. So the aggregate of the concern is that people do not believe that when the taxes are collected, it will be used for the intended purposes. Politicians must begin to show Ghanaians that this is what your tax has been used for. Nana Akufo-Addo was able to show that your tax has been used for free SHS. People, Ms. Bell, who was against Nana Akufo-Addo and supported John Mahama for good reason, testified in 2017 that she
John Dramani Mahama in NDC for a betting tax. Any tax was a Ghana for so. And a mobile best scrap pay. I feel the echo that's already about the levy for air by your friend is post levy. Almost say the primary source of income. The best supported sports. Not just a question called Ojina Quentiana Semana Academy. What is the difference between your friend is a betting tax and a sports levy? The behind anywhere are different. Then they now need to the tax for about fast sports one year. Why didn't you remain the betting tax? Because Obi also taxes Bugana for taxes Hagana for dream until Oba be free Obe free Oba within 8 months. Or the friends a D-levy Abba or electricity as well. Or so many increments and Abba account. I feel the encodance and sorry. Also on the sports tax. The Baba tax every Ghanaian. Not E-levy didn't put it, not AF for specific people. Come on. We told you Ghanaian said NDC is never the option. Adada acrobatics be and no more Otchere Ghana for. And yes, the change we voted for no Eswaba and Ayegu in Tinyashi Yani Edio Maba in some young baby or Fanye.
Ibu Mahama! Ye di birthday yesrawai. Ajabe Levy na adeba. Ajabe Levy. Ibu yesraw. En fale bibiama. Iti go to now waton $6.3 billion. Scare away. I'll get that work do so. And two na do so. Adai.
Ebusia from church obi bia no we. Ebusia anopa we ma ehye ma dwumbo mitiribo ma NDC aban no mo da. NDC government na say atase mani so brimu. Sports minister Kofi Adams also the sports levy. Sports levy for the like me chabo me ncha bet nti sports levy no ebe ye nyina na say omo mu twa bet ni omo mu oni sporty a friend is a company no mo betua sa tax na say the na NDC for crocodile the John yema be na mo ne Ghana for ye ne sa no crocodile the John yema be na NDC for money ye ne sa no yanti kro we mu na MPP di betting tax buy betting tax na buy wa utwa bet una utwa sa betting tax no una uchia me say na man twa betting tax man twa bet da nti me betting tax man twa bi da na ye da sorry ya ye da na ye sorry ya Kofi Adam say ane sports levy NDC for no more da NDC government more for bibie di wo from won NDC government more for bibie di wo from masa mo room ani mani so entity mo sa levy ni sa tax ne free hin mona mo say Ghana ye hia tax so where from all these taxes levy ko ye the levy aba ayi ye the betting tax ko most sports levy still COVID-19 levy is still there. We are paying COVID-19 and no NDC for you are quiet. But mo begina simple so catch Ghana for say COVID levy yo, betting tax yo, levy yo ni nyina enye. So where from this sports levy? Masa Kofi Adams kona bre biem. Say NDC for mo for bibie di wo forma. E wo say mo dana mani so tete mo. Say ye nkotie it say sports levy. Sports wine levy. Masa NDC government mo be steady. Promises na mo de man enye enu ni o enti ye kogina wiem tu abama am no enye sa we kra na mo keka kire yen na gold board sika no mo de yeden gold board sika na mo say mo make billions upon billions mo de yeden mo fa bi ntua e friend say ha ayi omo mo bo league ne kai yen sa metua mo da
Ebusia me ka say de o hwe me so no mo a John Dramani Mahama ban no e the levy for by two din say sports levy a mo kire mo say e be primary revenue source for your sports fund and until we betting tax na makore branding no atu din for say sports levy a omo twa on tro say primary revenue source for your sports fund now so no kure wo mo ne pa ne say betting tax na makoda ne for fra omo de aba omo atu din say sports levy and until NDC and John Dramani Mahama aka John Bosco Otrofo onu ovu aban de say ya no beye mo tax no every single day or the for atmos we kan ho a mama ba ye or the taxes nko a 12 ena or the aba Ghana no am no ka say nso no PUC e discuss say omode new price of a year increase in a year kind of saying light electricity and water and so anam kwan so eba nti no eyezu we den ya opewumpew sports levy na ye dem Mahama de ba no upewumpew obetua
John Dramani Mahama. Unye serious as a president. So you're serious as a president here. Wo my yanchi untumi na kanchi me ameti say. Untumi ewo man in the mining company certificate oni kratan wo bie mane. Me ba cho NDC for mo boa. Omni way etum foto gu Ghana for ani. Say be a Ghana for nyina attention make say untumi na egalam say. Me why NDC ni momo me yagalam say. Besa Musa John Dramani Mahama say. Eye ababa wa ya ye friend Joanna Jan. Aw ye kecheyire. And now 2025 yana John Mahama wa be Muman award. Oye galam say na so ye galam say. E di enti na Muman award. Joan Jan me bancho money company. Eye galam say no ya na say money company. Ababa wo ye tosu biem. Ya mi me pamcho wo fahene. Ya mi wati muram en wo ye galam say. Adana John Mahama mun stop ya mi mu ye galam say no. Muni mu ye galam say NDC for. Ana NDC DC for nyina mu ye galam say wa Ashanti region. Rural area se wa Ghana nyina NDC DC ye galam say. Especially Ashanti region. Ana ayi achimpatam wo. Me bam chaw de tosu biem. NDC cha John Mahama wa adwiri mu me tell say any else stop program say China ni bia oba Ghana ibancho visa bana China for the Ghana Ghana ni ko China oje visa China ni ba Ghana oje visa dia visa no mreba working visa ibancho working permit ibancho working permit bia wo under regulations ya di adwuma dia working visa eno mreba ye omode ba so mo ba bia adwuma anase abanu ma omo se eje wo document anase ibancho migration form wo Ghana obi ba Ghana me bancho krata no de ba no adwuma ban anase sika sa no shoche o man se o de ba bia adwuma adwuma ba no mo ba bie eno ne ade a me person busa Ghana ban any immigration officers ibancho salata ni anase obi ba Ghana mo me bancho o ba bia adwuma de krata no de adwuma Ghana wei ayo me bia Ghana empanifo mo ade ma ade positions no mo adwene wo form mo adwene e wo form munim say the CGG crew ena munim their friend leadership enu ntina mo bre as a leaders enka China ni ba Ghana obi a free China e ba Ghana ni ko China ya ma visa ya wo visa requirement no ma ese wo hia asana ma visa and as a working permit how many years working permit ni wo akwa na afa so renew ni nyina nka aban so be so stop galan so be check ho ibam cho ya chibokin na ni no galam se ade amra de ne fa so or working visa me pa cho o akonya se obedi 3 months stay wo Ghana pa cho akonya ba na man kwan se o tra Ghana won sa me galam say na on say yensuo ni ensase Ghana yenye serious as a country jo mama onye serious ekufo do aban tra se nka o de mra eye adwuma wo wonu mu bo sha akọ she galam say fo ukọ gina sa Joanna Jan campaign ase eno what parliament ese galamse ni de munyai yentwam bebam chaw galamse campaign mu yese mo de mo ba amnesty mo be yin kofo fra bonten ena ma ne Ghana fo ne galamse koso gidigidi ane ba bia na akufo do abam yenye galamse kura yeye ba bia MPP abam ne yenye galamse kura yeye ene akoba se tray kwan ba bia yadi and say tray kwan to kwan ye to the galamse on say NDC abam say Ghana fo nsuro aban Ghana for ensuro do mama ban because say mo message ene kwa mo faso kasa kire citizens and say ewiase no mo makonya dawo mo bia ye de ope o Ghana because say mo ni sen and say mo ni tumi a mo di wuru country as a leaders enu tina galam say yentimi fight na because you promise Ghana for say what the amnesty ebe you ma ya chi wo mu ampa ba what the amnesty you konfo do mama you mo free prison galam say for fan na me catch on omo me ya galam say omo ye NDC for anase NDC for gidi say omo nkura bi ka wanase omo nkofo ka ho ene ye di amnesty yi omo nyina nti abusua John Dramani Mahama adwen boni a de bedi Ghana konya so no wo ye sure de ekoso fa galam say ho ogo kan ho say ye di IP address na chew o chemi mebo dua se mu NDC ni bi tu galam say ena mu kasa etia ohini bi wo kasa tia president bi ya ye mebo dua e simple oto anadwo mama lu prate ahwe ye kura me so de anadwo mama wo lu pre ate ahwe na wo mama wo exist kura wasase so na elu pre okonya accident ka sie bia ma wo mama wo wu because wo nwene Ghana ho onwe Ghana ho ena Ibrahim mama wo man company so ni man company Ibrahim mama o football bamboy asante roje me ba cho wo man wana so ni man Ghana ensase ba bia nyen kuro wo ye man wana adon ko ye man wo ball bamboy mo ya de abo protect mo party na mo de nya sika enti mo ba asha 1 anasa joan 1 mamman ai mabona baso se oye female a minor me ba cho oye minor o man company ni mo to obi ibam cho wo company se on to be company nana galamse no oye galamse en oye enso ga no to parliament mo de ni die sie mu wia o chaba untimi ana ye ko we ne lances oni kratas wo de money akonta money na ma frustrate ye Ghana for just like that wa bra NDC for me see ya me muti nwuram no mo de metwofo gunguram no mu sensuo NDC for them say ba wo mia eba wo ma ba be gu NDC for them say o muntimi mfa ese dun katia eru na drusu me bam chow obi am face ba wo mia Julius Debra omutimi mfane mfesi ba omia nti oma wu say no de obia won to galam say ana besiw Of course, I know I said that the camera turns so. And this is fighting galamsey. Yes, so quite 2 billion. No, quite Jessica. It was sight. Just like that. And I'm with Jimmy Ghana for. And the Mahama. So I saw stop galamsey and this Mr. President. I saw stop galamsey dia. Wadwene da kwamu dia na se wadwene wosoro na se wadwene modua me pa chaw e magana for visa biem me pa chaw e malances biem e me yem fanya small scale man me pa chaw sa small scale man no o mani galamsey fo no do mama me pa chaw ka kira yen fo se mo yini bia ntna ho e mo bi fa ayi yere say ayi mineral commission mo ma lances mo yiri bi anta mo bi fa lances mani krom MSN so na sase kasache Ghana for galamsey so twa oyena no wo tumi so so bo nsase ene no so hu ban kasache Ghana for na yente se wo dwo mama obeso stop galamsey ne nhwade abusu a share video no ma wo mu
Sida wadwe mame e wo comment section. Penyah Block Media.